আমরা প্রায় 2 লক্ষ ভোটে জিতেছি। এর থেকে বেশি আর কি চান? মানুষই শেষ কথা বলে। বাংলার মানুষ বাংলার মেয়েকে সম্মান দিয়েছে, আমি সম্মানিত। আমার কাজের দায়িত্ব আরও বেড়ে গেল। আমি মানুষের জন্য আরও কাজ করবার চেষ্টা করব। আমাদের সব টাকা মোদি আটকে রেখে দিয়েছে। আমি চাই আমাদের টাকা, এখনও যদি লজ্জা থাকে, আমাদের টাকা আমাদের দেয়া হোক। আর তা নাহলে কিন্তু যে আন্দোলন আমরা গড়ে তুলব, মনে রাখবেন দিল্লিতে আন্না হাজরের আন্দোলন আপনারা দেখেছেন, ওইটুকু জায়গার মধ্যে ওটা বিজেপির মদতে হয়েছিল। আর এবার কিন্তু আমরা নিজেদের মদতেই করব। আমরা জানি হাউ টু ফাইট।
Didi, this is Roshi from the print. I have two questions. One, the Trinamool Congress has won the Behrampur seat for the first time, defeating Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary.
It is because the arrogance is not acceptable in some times. And he was not the congressman. He is the BJP man. Now people defeated BJP and elected Pathan. I must congratulate Pathanji for especially he came, he accepted our invitation, and my special congratulation. I will meet all the MPs, let the certificate and other thing is over process, then.
Also, Didi, there are senior India leaders who have gone back to jail. Arvind Kejriwal has gone back to jail. Hemant Soren is still in jail.
I don't support Arvind Kejriwal's matter. This is vindictive attitude of the government. That one chief minister, even he has got only 10-15 days for campaigning. Only campaigning is enough. Or before election, you have to plan the game plan. Even that advantage the other parties has taken. But I am along with the Arvind Kejriwal, I am with the man, I am with the Bhabi, and I discussed with her whatever you need help. If you ask to me to go to Delhi or Punjab, I will be with you. I told Hemant Soren's missus also, if you need my help, I will be there.
West Bengal sends the third largest number of MPs to the Lok Sabha. What role will the Trinamool Congress play at the center now that it has come back with such a high seat tally in West Bengal? And
Trinamool Congress will play a strong role, stringent roles, development role to save the country from the disaster, to save the constitution, safety and security of the people, work for young generation, work for farmers, work for poor people, work for all the people. जिसको बोला पक्का घर कर देंगे, नहीं देने का बाद 3 साल नहीं दिया, झूठा बात कहा। इतना एडवर्टाइजमेंट के रुपया कहाँ से आया? हम भी क्वेरी करेंगे। हम तो एक भी नहीं कर पाया। हम थोड़ा थोड़ा यूट्यूब में, थोड़ा थोड़ा छोटा छोटा कोई जगह में गया, इतना झूठा एडवर्टाइजमेंट किया कि हमने उसको नहीं छोड़ेंगे। वाई पीपुल यू हैव नॉट मार्क? प्रकाशकेर नाम नहीं, प्रचारकेर नाम नहीं, and you people for the money interest only you have allowed this advertisement to malign us. Do you think that I am going to tolerate this? No, I hate this. I am telling you one thing. I am in the party, but I told you from the beginning that I have to build up my 3 generation. I am grateful to them. My 3 generation is coming up. And that's why Abhishek also played a very important role. And at the same time, all the Trinamool Congress leaders, they also played, and workers, the important role. We worked as a family. We don't consider as individual. We consider Trinamool Congress, All India Trinamool Congress, as our one family. বললাম তো, প্রধানমন্ত্রী যেদিনই দেখলেন ৪৫ লাখ টাকা এসপি উদ্ধার করেছেন, সেই দিনই তার ট্রান্সফার অর্ডার চলে গেল পরের দিন। প্রধানমন্ত্রী এসছেন বাংলায়, যে 3 দিন এসছেন 3 জন চেঞ্জ হয়েছে, 3 জন আইপিএস চেঞ্জ হয়েছে, আইসি চেঞ্জ হয়েছে। কেন, কিসের জন্য পার্টির কথাই চলবে প্রশাসন? আমি এটা জানতে চাই, মানে ইলেকশন কমিশন। I want some clarification with my humble regard. Why they have listened only BJP, no other party? I want to know that. Even you tell me, after election, why they increased the poll tally after 4 days? Even when Supreme Court asked to give it to Supreme Court to submit the report, they did nothing. What do you think? They will be ever forever. It is because of election commission. They pick and choose the observer. You tell me, Bengal, all the CAPF, they work for election, no state police. All the CIF, CAPF, BSF, CISF, NIC, agency, and government of agency, by the agency, for the agency, though it is gone. हमारा स्टेट का कोई पुलिस को नहीं रखा. Even you have marked, day before, just 1st of June, when I went for voting, I have seen 5 booths are there. Every booth in the gate, in front of EVM machine, two CISF officers were present there. But from state government, no police was present there. Who maintained the law and order? Do you think my all police are bad? Do you think your all police are good? I respect your police also. But how they behave, they have crossed all the limit. They have crossed all the Lakshman Rekha. Only police cannot help you. Only agency cannot help you. It is the voter. You have to trust the voter. It is the mandate, people's mandate. And it is mandate of the people. An election commission became, I should not say, question mark, what. শুনুন, পার্থ জিতেছে, পার্থর ক্রেডিট। বরানগর আমরা জিতবো আমরা জানতাম। যারা বেইমানি করে তাদের মানুষ সাপোর্ট দেয় না।